Good morning and thank you for tuning in to my channel, Registered Nurse Jobs UK Placements. Today I have a new job comes in for a registered nurse. I'm looking for applicants who either has IELTS and CBT or registered nurse with UK PIN number. This customer is offering Osce placement. The home is a 60-bedded care home based in Horsham. The employer provides 2 nurses on duty. We are looking for nurses who either has the NMC registration already or is applying for it through international nurses placements. The employer is willing to accept candidates who are in this country or candidates who need special visa requirements. An application from outside of the UK is also welcome. So, to see more jobs like this, visit my website at www.aplusrecruit.com or click the link below and view vacancies online. Vacancies are available in most UK towns. I look forward to speaking to you, and my name is Janet.